Okay, this is how to add an email address to a YouTube channel so that users or people that want to contact you can easily reach out to you. First is to launch your web browser. So here I'm going to use Google Chrome for that. As your browser opens, visit studio.youtube.com. All right. Once you're landed on your dashboard, all right, the next step you are going to take is to scroll by this side, okay, to see these stars by the left margin. Click on customization. On this customization page, scroll down, okay, keep scrolling until you get to the section with the text contact info. I can see here you are expected to add email address here. So click there. Then on clicking on this place, type that email address you want users or people that want to reach out to you to use to reach out to you. But please, this email address should be different from the email address you use in this your YouTube studio you use to create your YouTube channel. Please, so that if maybe an email is targeting to hack your YouTube channel, it cannot be possible with this new email address. So create a fresh Gmail address and add it here, okay, for your own safety. So let me add mine here. Okay, you can see this email address, contactlearnwithmike@gmail.com. This is different from the email address linked to this my YouTube channel. I created it for this purpose. Okay, so once you're done adding it, click on publish. And you can see changes published. Okay, let me visit YouTube to see how this will look like. So I'll visit youtube.com. Okay, let's say that I am just someone that wants to reach out to a particular YouTube channel, which in this case is my YouTube channel. So let's say I'm different person here. Let's say the person wants to get to me, learn with Mike. He comes and search for learn with Mike. Okay. And he's tracing me because it's me, the person wants to send that to the email to. So let me get to my profile. Let's say the person clicks and gets to my page. And on getting to my page, who wants to reach out to me? What he needs to do is to click on this more, okay? Then you can see view email address. So you can see, look at it. I clicked on that and it shows the email address. So he or she needs to copy it and then go and send email to me. So this is how it works. I've been able to put you through on how to add email address to your YouTube channel. And at the same time, how somebody can contact an email or a YouTube channel, all right, through email. So if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot of technology and a little touch of finance. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.